Hi, my name's Christina Harrison, here with Joyello, Harrison, and Gorell. I'm here to give you a little bit of information about wills. This is not to be confused with legal advice. If you're seeking legal advice, please look for a licensed attorney who is licensed to practice law in your area. You can find this by contacting your local bar association. Anyway, when you talk about wills, it's something that people don't want to really think about because that would mean you have to think about death. But it's really something that is important. It can save a lot of stress and grief from your family by really laying out these issues and the way that you want your property, your estate to be settled when you pass away. A will is a document that does that. And it will lay out these guidelines about what you want done with your property. That can be your real property, which would be your land or your home. It can be your personal property, cars, stocks, your bank account, those types of things. And it can also be intangible property, which would be rights or claims to land, other more complex things. But the point is that unless you have a will, you will have been said to die intestate, which means that the statutes or the laws that have been put in place in your area or where you live is going to decide how your estate gets handed out. And these laws are very complex depending on where you're located and then through what court and county that your estate is being probated through. And it can be very difficult to really pinpoint what would happen to your property. It can either go all to your spouse. It could go to your spouse and your descendants. But the point is that it's very complex and it differs very much. And that's why it can be really helpful if you want certain things to go to certain people when you pass away to have a will. What's important to know also about a will that it does have to be in writing. It does have to be signed. And it can be very helpful and beneficial to contact a local attorney to really assist you in this process and any other estate planning. Thank you very much. And again, I'm Christina Harrison with Joyello, Harrison, and Gorell.